Hello guys, today we are seeing a low bed semi-trailer. It's pretty normal. In the front we have the air connection like this, and this is a fast air connection, and this says in charge pipe and the control pipe. The control pipe is when the driver pressed the brake and it gave the signal to the braking line, and the charge pipe, which means it is always with air to give pressure to the air tank and the braking line. This is ABS socket. This is the electricity socket. Here is the ABS indicator. Here we have the landing gear operating double side. You can operate it over there, you can operate it over there. Here we have a kingpin. This is the bolted type kingpin, and those round holes are the drain holes. The seawater, the rainwater can goes off from there, so the kingpin plate won't rust. Here is the toolbox. The toolbox can put some tool inside. The gooseneck. After the gooseneck, we have a loading deck over here. This is the loading deck, and in the front we have a two blocking plate, which the huge machinery cannot run over it. We have the side beam at here. This is one of the VIN number. This is the VIN number. See, it's a protection. Here we have those steel bars. Those steel bars, the bars give fractions to the huge wheels. At the bottom it has the wheel itself. At the rear we have the loading ramp. The loading ramp can go down to the ground, and the big machinery can drive to the front. Here we have the springs, two springs. Actually it's 4 springs for each trailer. There have two. The springs gives the power to retract it or lift it down. Here's the safety. When you open the safety, you can move the ramp. Otherwise, you cannot move the ramp at all. This side is the same tire, same axle. Here's the suspension. This is how it looks for the low bed suspension, and this suspension is mounted upside down. You can see usually the leaf spring is on top of the axle. That is leaf spring, that is axle. It is usually on the top. So this one is the leaf spring at the bottom of the axle to give more space to the loading deck. This is one of the reverse mounted suspension system, and that's the only special for this low bed. So the loading deck can be lower than others. The loading deck is around 1 meter, so this 1 meter can allow you to loading huge machinery, because when you're driving to the huge door like this, the door is about 4 meters, but when you loading cargo on top of it, you have to drive in, and there is a ramp, so you need to make the loading deck as low as possible. Here we have another VIN number. Here we usually have 3 for our trailer. So one in the left, one in the right, and another one in this side. This is the rope hook. Here is the spare tire seats. You can put spare tire here. This is another toolbox, or you can maintain the kingpin over there. You can put something inside. Alright, I think that would be all for today's video. Hope you guys enjoy our video today. See you guys next time. Bye bye.